Meta is making its Llama AI models available to more governments. Google is turning Gemini into a gaming sidekick. And Facebook added an AI assistant to its dating app. It's Tuesday, September 23rd, and here's a quick look at tech in the news from Engadget. Meta is allowing more governments to access its suite of Llama AI models. The group includes France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and South Korea, and organizations associated with the European Union and NATO. The move comes after the company took similar steps last year to bring Llama to the U.S. government and its contractors. Meta has also made its AI models available to the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand for national security use cases. Meta noted that governments won't be just using the company's off-the-shelf models. They'll also be able to incorporate their own data and create AI applications for specific use cases. The company says that governments can also fine-tune Llama models using their own sensitive national security data, host them in secure environments at various levels of classification, and deploy models tailored for specific purposes on device in the field. Meta says the open-source nature of Llama makes it ideally suited for government use, as it can be securely downloaded and deployed without the need to transfer sensitive data through third-party AI providers. Recently, Mark Zuckerberg had suggested that safety concerns could potentially prevent Meta from open-sourcing its efforts around building real superintelligence. Google might have found a way Gemini could be useful while you're playing games on your phone. The company is introducing a new software overlay it calls the Games Sidekick that gives you access to Gemini Live while you play, alongside a host of other gaming-focused updates to Google Play that could make the app platform a better home for gamers. Sidekick exists as a small, movable tab in games downloaded from the Play Store that you can slide over to show relevant info and tools for whatever game you're playing. By default, that's things like easy access to a screenshot button or screen recording tools and a shortcut for going live on YouTube, but you'll see achievements and other game stats in there too. Google is clearly most interested in how Sidekick could serve as a delivery system for Gemini, though, so AI plays a large role in how Sidekick actually helps you while you play. That includes offering a curated selection of game tips that you can swipe through and a big button that you can press that starts Gemini Live. Based on a demo Google ran for press, Gemini Live does seem like it could be a competent guide for navigating games. It was able to offer strategies for how to best start a game of the Battle of Polytopia and told game-specific jokes that were only funny and how awkward they were. Since Gemini can accept screen sharing as an input, it was also able to offer its guidance without a lot of context from the Google project manager running the demo. Referring to in-game items as this or that was enough to get Gemini to understand. Gemini and Sidekick won't really replace a detailed game guide written by a human, but for a quick answer, it's easier than Googling. It's also similar in many ways to Microsoft's Gaming Copilot, which also places a live AI in games with you. For now, Google is taking a restrained approach to rolling out Games Sidekick and its AI features. You don't have to interact with the overlay at all if you don't want to. You can even dismiss it to the notification shade. And Gemini-powered features will only be available in select games over the coming months. Facebook Dating has added 2 new AI tools because clearly a large language model is what the search for love and companionship has been missing all this time. Well, the social media platform introduced a chatbot called Dating Assistant that can help find prospective dates based on a user's interests. In the blog post announcing the features, the example Meta provided was, "Find me a Brooklyn girl in tech." The chatbot can also provide dating ideas or help you level up your profile. Dating Assistant will start a gradual rollout to the Matches tab for users in the US and Canada, and Surely everyone will use it in a mature and responsible, not at all creepy fashion. Yeah, the other AI addition is Meet Cute, which uses a personalized matching algorithm to deliver a surprise candidate that it determines you might like. Now, there's no explanation in the blog post about how Meta's algorithm will be assessing potential dates. If you don't want to see who Meta's AI thinks would be a compatible match each week, you can opt out of Meet Cute at any time. Both these features are aimed at combating swipe fatigue, so if you're 1. Using Facebook, 2. Using Facebook dating, and 3. Are really that tired of swiping, well, maybe this is the solution you need. Thanks for listening. There's more to these stories and more tech news at Engadget.com. This episode featured journalism from Carissa Bell, Ian Carlos Campbell, and Anna Washenko, and it was voiced and produced from the sound studios of Spoken Layer. Enjoy your day. I'll be back tomorrow with more tech news from Engadget.